Look at the pan. You see a flat surface, a two-dimensional plane. But the weight changes everything. Gravity pulling it down into the depth, unlocking the third dimension. Let's step outside the box.
Standing in the creek bed, looking at the stream. Most people only see the surface of the dream. They live in the flat lines, ignoring the code, while I'm digging through the layers where the heavy metal flowed. It's the prospector's logic, the philosophy of space, understanding how the unseen forces shape the place. The third dimension holds the secret to the goal, where the depth meets the pressure and the history is told. You gotta think multidimensional, transcend the sight, reading patterns in the dirt under late night light. From the essays in the notebook to the shovel in the clay, it's a higher understanding of the universe today. The tower dimensions, the logic in the pan, connecting the cosmos to the vision of a man. It's more than just the color, it's the way the layers shift, finding universal truth inside the glacial drift. Yeah, the prospector's logic, tuning out the noise, shifting through the chaos to find the golden poise. Every grain of sand has a geometric line, a microscopic fragment of an infinite design. We trace the coordinates, we map out the grid, unlocking the matrix where the treasure stays hid. The world looks flat until you look down deep, where the gravity vectors and the bedrocks meet. Prospecting's a meditation, a science of the mind, leaving the illusions of the surface far behind. They call it a hobby, say I'm chasing after dust, but I'm aligning with the forces that the universe can trust. The tower dimensions, the logic in the pan, connecting the cosmos to the vision of a man. It's more than just the color, it's the way the layers shift, finding universal truth inside the glacial drift. Yeah, the prospector's logic, tuning out the noise, shifting through the chaos to find the golden poise. Ten dimensions, alluring dimensions. The human eye only catches like a fragment. But when you pan, you're working with gravity. You're working with the fabric of reality itself. Feel the depth. Bring the beat back. Back to the water, where the physics take hold, concentrating the mind just to concentrate the gold. It's a cosmic geometry inside the creek bed, living out the words that the old philosopher said. We are searching for the heavy, we are filtering the light, bringing hidden dimensions right back into sight. So let the water roll past, let the light sands clear. The ultimate truth is finally appearing right here. The tower of dimensions, the logic in the pan, connecting the cosmos to the vision of a man. It's more than just the color, it's the way the layers shift, finding universal truth inside the glacial drift. Yeah, the prospector's logic, tuning out the noise, shifting through the chaos to find the golden poise. The third dimension. Depth, weight, and time. It's all connected. Kentucky Gold Hunter. Keep your eyes on the truth.